2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.